Here we've got my Stirling engine, using a little bit of the boiler heat, and spent a lot of time after building this first Stirling many years ago, building component Stirlings based on the water jet technology, but never got the power out of it that I was expecting. So they are fun, and they're amazing little creatures, the way that they compress hot air and cold air and transfer that energy. But the turbine, much more practical device for generating shaft output to turn an alternator or something. Now we are at 45 psi, and this is a customer's test run, so let's check it out, compare the two. Two alternative technologies. The stainless steel rotor too has quite a bit more mass than the aluminum rotors. I'm letting the pressure build up again. And at 15 psi we need a little bit more to keep this going, so can't really generate a lot of steam with this primitive boiler system here. A new boiler will be ready next week, hopefully. Yeah, it's durable anyways. Lasted a long time, that Stirling. Our show for today. Seems to be no interference with the rotor and the case, and it is venting well. Got a new tape going tomorrow on progress on the other two turbines we're building.